First look, Copacabana Beach. There we go. Welcome to Rio, Rio. This is my favorite spot here so far, right here in the corner. Logan, this is the best spot.
One of the ladies' rooms that has
There
multiple
should be a
ladies.
somewhere. We take it out.
If there's, because if there's multiple ladies in a room, they can just share a room. That would make sense.
Because like what they could have done is while we were like every week. Okay. Even if
Breakfast day one. Technically day two, but first breakfast.
Carol's chefs, that's 4. 5. Yeah. Okay, so you what?
Check out what it looks like out here. Welcome to Brazil. Another spectacular sunny day here on Copacabana Beach. What's up? Yo. These views gonna suck. Doing your job, man. This is your machine. I got the Sony, you rock the GoPro. Tomorrow.
Probably pretty even. Not much day 1 and 2 here.
No, not for the 360, with the next handful for sure.
Yeah. Good job.
Hell yeah, man. That was awesome. Kick his ass. You look like a terrorist.